日本語のお勉強始まるよ。
Thank you for watching. Today I will introduce this amazing resource called Irodori, and it's all free materials and it's very authentic, amazing phrases and the content. So please check this website. I will put them in the description. And then when you have the time, click this this PDF file for all, and you can see how to use this textbook both in English and Japanese. Okay, but today what we're gonna do is the first session Japanese in the classroom. And afterwards, if you want to listen audios for the original versions, you can go here and review them. Okay. So, 教室の日本語。教室 is classroom の日本語 classroom Japanese. In Japan, in the beginning of a class, they usually call individuals' names and take attendance. So you just answer, はい、はい. And then open hand and usually raise a hand. Okay. 出席を取ります。出席を取ります。I'm going to take attendance. Teacher will call their name. トンさん。はい。マルシアさん。はい。Okay. Then, when teacher would say, 始めましょう。では、始めましょう。Let's start. 休みましょう。Let's take a break. では、10分休みましょう。How many minutes is your break? では、10分休みましょう。Let's have a 10 minutes break. はい、終わりましょう。はい、終わりましょう。Let's finish. Let's finish here. Okay. And this other phrase, it's called できましたか？できましたか？ Have you finished? And someone already done. Hi. And that somebody is not yet done. いいえ、まだです。いいえ、まだです。My advice of saying いいえ is you say it very relaxed. If you say いいえ, it sounds really harsh and we don't really say いいえ so strong. So いいえ、まだです。Okay. So the classroom phrase is the teacher would say 聞いてください。では聞いてください。Please listen. 言ってください。Please say it. Some people might say 言ってください。言ってください。Please say it. Okay. Next. 見てください。これを見てください。Please see this. 3ページを見てください。Please look at page 3. 3ページを見てください。ペアで話してください。Please talk in pairs. ペアで話してください。 読んでください。読んでください。Please read. And we will use this. Please ここを読んでください。そこを読んでください。Please read. 書いてください。Please write. 書いてください。見せてください。Please show me. 見せてください。Please show me. 来てください。Please come here. こっちに来てください。Please come this way. ここに来てください。Please come here. One body language in Japan, we use our hands, the fingers toward the bottom, or the fingers toward the ground, and move 4 fingers back and forth. That is the gesture of come here. I know that in the Western countries, that body language is go away, but in Japan, that means come here. And when you have a question, you can say, 先生、質問があります。先生、質問があります。I have a question. Yeah, using a hand to just raise a hand when you have that question. And the teacher might say, ちょっと待ってください。Please wait a little bit. Or, 何ですか? What is it? And when you wanna go bathroom, すいません。トイレに行ってもいいですか? すいません。トイレに行ってもいいですか? This is depending on teachers. Some teachers might just ask you without, ask you to go bathroom whenever you like. But some teacher might request to be polite and just ask them if it's okay for you to leave from the classroom middle of the lecture. Okay. And one more thing I would add to this phrase is わかりましたか? わかりましたか? Do you have any guess? わかりましたか? Which is, did you get it? わかりましたか? You can say, はい、わかりました。or, いいえ、わかりません。いいえ、わかりません。I understand or I don't understand. Okay. Today we did the classroom phrases and it's very useful even in the conversation or just ordinary life. So please review and see you next lesson. Bye.